Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's PamLaShawn. If this is your first time visiting, thank you so much for stopping by. If you are an OG, thank you so much for coming back. So I know you guys have probably been wondering what I'm up to because I did tell you some things will be taking place in our home. So here you go. We are having some rooms painted. I did tell you all how much I hated the game room color. So this is now going to be called the family room. It's no longer my husband's game room. I also told you guys that there was some paint chipping here in the hallway. Come to find out, our water pan was full that was in the attic. The attic is right above this area. So he went ahead and took care of that and also painted the entire wall. Here is Jeremy's wall. We moved the TV from this side to the other side, and you guys will get to see all of that in another video. But he's going ahead and patching that up and taking care of that. So just want to give you guys an update. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's PamLaShawn. So today is actually the third day that they've been here painting. I'm going to show you guys upstairs, but before I do, I want to show you the before of the bedroom before they start painting. So I'm going to show you guys that right now. Hold on a second. So this is the bedroom. So you guys can see the stains on the walls. What's that you're spraying, Hugo? What is that? Okay, like a primer?
Yeah.
Oh, it is a primer. Okay.
I was like, you have grease spots.
Okay. So you guys can see, I had his and her signs up here. The print is still in the paint. So that's going to come down. This is going to be removed. And then I'm going to show you guys some stains on the wall. This is the flat paint that was here when we purchased the home. So I'm going to let them paint it a darker color. And the color that we're using in here is latte. So let me show you guys. This is coming out also. I don't need the medicine cabinet. And I should have taken it out of my kids' bathroom, but I didn't. So I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it and buy a better one to put in their bathroom since I didn't have it removed. But all the stains on the walls, and actually, let me open up the blinds a little bit so you guys can see better these stains on the wall. Just looks disgusting. I hate it. And these are water stains, but the paint is flat. So any little thing just stains the wall. Any little thing. Let's see. There. So I'm going to show you all the bedroom again. Oh, I think I showed all of this, yeah. You can see the stains on the wall here. So all of this is going to get taken care of.
Eso está todo, esto es como guango.
You can see all the little stains. Okay, and here's upstairs. If you guys remember, it was painted red and maroon, and it had a black crown molding going across, or not crown molding, baseboard going across. So it's all been turned back to its original color. It looks really good, really, really good. And then I'm going to show you Jeremy's room. You remember the TV was on this wall. So this right here was, I'm just gonna put a plate there. He did fix the big one that was there, but this one, I mean a smaller one that was there, but this one I'm gonna put a plate here, and I'm gonna hang stuff on the wall anyway, so it'll be okay. And now I'm gonna show you all the restrooms. So let me cut this down a little bit. Okay, so I don't know, I did show you guys this bathroom before in another video where I was telling you guys the things that would be taking place here. So this was originally almost the same color. Actually, it was the same color as this here. And it was a flat color. So I did go ahead and have them to paint it a lighter color so that it can make the bathroom look bigger. It comes off as bigger. And it's funny because I didn't say anything in front of my kids, the reason why I was doing this. And my son came home last night and he was like, the bathroom looks bigger. So that's this. And then I'm gonna take you guys down this way. Here in the hallway, I also showed you guys where the paint was coming off here. I showed you guys where this part of the hallway, the paint was coming off and it just looked really bad. I don't know what the kids did or what happened. I think there was some water that had leaked from our AC. Our water pan in the attic was full, which the attic is right here. And then there's the vent, but it was full. So the paint had chipped and messed up. So we got both issues fixed, and then he also fixed this too. So that's that. What he has left to do is the ceiling here. The ceiling up here still has to get done. So I'm going to come in here and start scraping this off in just a moment. I'm going to go down and get the ladder, and I'm going to fix this. And here's the other bathroom. So I'm going to change those up there also. I'm going to get white ones. That's, I don't know what they were thinking with that. That's pretty ugly. But here's the restroom. And I really wish I had gotten these removed, but I didn't. So I'm just going to find a nicer one to go there. I really wish I had gotten those removed. But it's okay. It's okay. Well, there's a will, there's a way. And I don't know what genius did that. But, okay, so just to show you guys an update. So this is the new color. You can see this color is the new color, and that color is the old color over there, and it's a little darker than what it was. He still have to do a second coat, so I just want to show you all this. And now he's working on taking the medicine cabinet out, so I'm going to show you all that also. So just to give you guys a better idea of the different color, so this right here on the side is a new color, this is the old color. Matte, this is an eggshell 200, and this is a flat color, not matte, flat. So just to show y'all, and he still has to do another coat. So he said once it dries, it's gonna be darker. So this is in the color latte. See that? And here's my dirty room. It is a hot mess.